could this be the perfect touring supercar for the money? Just arrived. Ferrari Portofino, 2018-18, full Ferrari service history, just serviced at Ferrari in March, with incredible specification. Grigio Silverstone with a Bordeaux interior. This car is first class throughout. It also comes with Ferrari approved warranty until June 2024, which is a massive option, but a 2+2 supercar for incredible value for money. And by the way, do your research about these cars, because this one, for the price we're advertising it for, is incredible value for money. On a 2018, it's done 22,000 miles, and with, you know, with the Ferrari warranty, service plan still remaining, balance of, it is a fabulous supercar. It's perfect summer sports car with 4 seats. And this car's got extras upon extras. Standard things like ceramics, the colour's excellent, but with passenger display, front and rear cameras. A big one is the Magneride dual suspension system in this car, which is incredible, but it's a 3.9 V8, incredible performance, 3.5 seconds 0 to 60. The noise it produces and everything is fabulous, and it's just a belter of a car to use and own and hold its value and enjoy over the summer. What a car it is. So many benefits to owning this car, not only through the fact that it's lovely throughout, and I mean lovely condition, from the exterior condition, the wheels, the way it's being kept. The previous keeper was a gentleman who actually bought another Ferrari from us, and it's stunning. So let's start from the front end of this car. Grigio Silverstone is the colour. It's a classy colour. Front and rear parking cameras, front and rear parking sensors, adaptive LED front headlights. It's a super sexy looking sports car. I love the combination. I love the wheels on this car. Ceramic brakes, red braking calipers. Everything is in a perfect order. You see you've got the Scuderia shields as an option. If you look inside, the Bordeaux complements that grey exceptionally well. Full electric seats, upgraded JBL sound system. Just a stunning, stunning car, and the performance and the noise and everything is fabulous. The Magneride dual motor suspension is a big one in this car, just increasing its performance. And then another big one for me is that passenger display, which, if you want one of these cars, look at how we've priced this car. It's fabulous, fabulous value for money for what you get. That passenger display, all important. You see we've got the front camera on there, also reversing camera. And with the service plan remaining and the fact that it's still got that approved warranty, it's just a fabulous buy for somebody. And let's have a look at the spec inside. So condition is key. Everything is lovely in this car. But listen to this car. Fabulous stuff. Sports exhaust to this. Navigation, Apple CarPlay. Like I say, everything is a wonderful order. Switchable drive modes off the steering wheel. Reverse gear, auto gear, and obviously you drive this car through the paddles. It's just wonderful. 2 keys, Ferrari trackers in place as well. Everything is lovely, and with the roof down or the roof up, it is a usable sports car. Let's put the roof up again. Usable sports car every day. Fabulous stuff. And I just think the combination of the colours work as well. It's very classy, it's not too in your face. And if you're looking for, like I say, something you can use every day and really, really enjoy, then for the price we're advertising this car for, it really doesn't come much better. So this is on the website now. It is a stunning, stunning car, stunning condition, looks after properly, with the right specification. My name's Richard. If you're interested in this Portofino, this beautiful car, then please call me on my number on the screen, and I'd love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.